Sabaha everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you my review of this Movo vlogging kit. It's a kit that includes the mount, everything you need for the most part to be able to hold your device in place. But not only that, it also includes a shotgun microphone with the wind muff to be able to give you that personal audio that most of us try to get out of these expensive shotgun microphones. So I want to say thank you very much to Movo for allowing me to check out this kit, but let's not waste any time. I want to share with you guys how well this works with my Galaxy S9. So the box is pretty simple. Movo, the kit itself is called PR-2-PM, but it includes two pieces: the handheld smart grip, which is the RP1, and the VXR10 universal cardioid microphone. That's what you have right there. And this is a really cool guy, and we'll get a chance to check that out. Box, we have a happy, not happy, a small instructional manual, not needed really. We have a grip here to be able to keep it stabilized and not have it lost. This is the base piece to this camera rig clip. Now, there's a few things here, and I'll get a chance to explain to all the different features in here. It doesn't look very busy, but it is. So your phone will, of course, go in here. So you basically put in your device here, you expand it to the size of your device, and we're going to basically check it out with the Galaxy S9 Plus. Fits perfectly. I was able to put it in, and of course, I just initiated Bixby. Didn't mean to do that. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Make sure if you're putting it in your device to put it where you don't have contact with any of the buttons. And of course, keeping an eye on the camera, as this needs to have enough exposure that it doesn't see the side here. You can mount it very comfortably on the side or on the back. You'll notice there's a screw on top, on the back, or on the bottom. This really is intended for the top, for the back, or at least the bottom, and you can put this on top of it, so that when you screw it in, now you have a double security so that in case it falls, it just falls directly out of your hand and then you can keep it straight. The other thing, of course, double pressing the camera, making sure you have a good viewfinder. You want to say keep it on. You notice here, it's not showing in the camera. So we're going to close it now and we're going to go outside and get a chance to check it out. The other thing they include two different cables. There is the male-male stereo cable. Now this would be used with, let's say, a DSLR. You can connect this to your camera, your standard DSLR camera if you have one. But what you want to use when you're using it with a smartphone is this cable. It's the separate one. You'll notice there's two prongs. One has stereo and one has three prongs. The reason that happens is the stereo audio from this piece will basically be coming directly from the microphone. So we'll plug this to the microphone. And this is what you need to be able to plug it into your smartphone, as we need that third prong to transfer audio into our Galaxy S device or even into an iPhone. This will work using the adapters. So if you have an iPhone and a newer iPhone that doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, this will work there. And it will also work with any Android device that uses the USB-C dongle. So those things will work. The microphone itself has a lot of cool things going on for it as well. As I said, it's a shotgun microphone. Let me go ahead and take it out. So first thing you want to notice, it has a stabilizer. It already is mounted on the stabilizer. We have the plug in the back, and that's what we're going to be plugging in our headphone jack in here. The stereo one goes into this one. And you notice they do have it tagged. It says microphone here. And it does not need power, so there's no batteries that are needed. And then, of course, you can just position it here on the top of the camera and then screw it on. Once you have that on, you're pretty much set. Now, if you're outside and there's going to be wind, you definitely want to use this, and we are going to be using this today. And this is easily attached to it. Just put it in. You do need a little bit of oil, and then once it's in there, it's set. And of course, so that you minimize the distortion, make sure you clip your cable right there to the side. So now at this point, there's no more moving part. The stabilization is on the top, and everything is set pretty good. I'm using the actual mount that it comes with this kit, but I'm not plugging in the microphone yet. We're using the built-in microphones. This is the Galaxy S9 Plus. The S9 will also accept external audio from external recording. The reason why I'm doing this is obviously not intentional, just to give you bad quality audio. I'm hoping actually it's performing well. But we do have an interference, we have wind, and this kit is intended to actually work in really good experience. Because of that wind muff that we have on top, it actually supports to actually reduce the amount of impact from wind. So once I plug this in, the audio should not only become much better, more focused on me, but also clearer and less interference with the wind. And as you can see behind me, there's a lot of wind actually with the trees back there. So let's switch over to that. Went ahead and plugged in the Movo microphone. Again, it's mounted with this little, this kind of, I want to say, like a hand-held vlogging style kind of kit. kit. It's really nice. It's short. It does have the ability of being mounted to a tripod if you want to take the base off. But other than that, again, we're just trying to see the experience using the kind of the mini shotgun microphone that's on top of my phone right now, and it's pointing directly at me. This could work also obviously in the different situations. You can reverse it, put it backwards, use the main sensor in the back, the best footage possible, and then use this to interview somebody as this is forwarded to them and you become the camera person. But for this, I'm using this for more vlogging, and I'm hoping the audio is a lot better, clearer, and at least more personal, as it's actually a directional microphone now. As you saw, the samples on both audio clips were pretty decent. I think the one without the microphone obviously was very clearly impacted by the wind, and this is just a normal occasion. Again, it wasn't super windy, but you could see behind me a little bit, there was a little bit distortion there. The main benefit of having this is it's a directional microphone. It captures exactly who's in front of it. The moment you veer off from the center, like me in dead center in front of it, you're going to get less and less pickup. But what happens is it also drops everything on behind it, so you don't have to worry about it. I think it's a great little kit. It really works very quickly, very small, very compact. You can actually put it in your backpack. You don't have to obviously keep the box. And the pieces that you get in it are pretty good and pretty decent quality. Now, as I mentioned, you can use this microphone with a DSLR. You don't necessarily have to just use it with this, as this will work. And you can also mount this at other rigs. As you noticed, that there's pieces in here that you can connect on the back or even on the top. And of course, the bottom can actually unscrew, or even you can use it to actually mount it to a tripod. So it's something that you could do. Very, very flexible. I want to say thank you very much to Movo for allowing me to check it out. Of course, I'll give you guys a link in the description below to check out this little kit. And again, I called it a vlogging kit. They have a different name for it, but for me, this is really the main benefit of this. You can actually be a subject of the actual video, point it to yourself, point it in the other direction, and be able to interview somebody. And you're going to get that really good audio. Again, it focuses the audio. Having a directional microphone or a shotgun microphone like this is a different experience, and you don't have to pick up everything. Many high-end flagship devices won't support external audio, so I do recommend you guys using Open Camera. It's free on the Play Store, and if your device doesn't support it, then you'll be able to select external audio via USB as your microphone, and then it'll work there. Samsung devices, Huawei devices, iPhones all support external audio and video. You just need to have the right adapter. Like and subscribe as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next video.